Greetings everyone, today I finally ride Tiana's Bayou adventure, and you know what? I'm hoping you'll join me. Let's roll that intro. Yes, that's right. I'm here for the Magic Key previews for Tiana's Bayou adventure. So what we're gonna do is go through the queue line, go through the ride with my commentary. You're gonna have to put up with me talking about the ride, kind of seeing all the changes that they've made. I'm very excited to try this out. Let's get to it. So some of the queue line outside here, while we're getting ready to go in for the virtual queue, which I'm sure it'll be a virtual queue for quite some time. Yeah, lots of changes here. I don't really remember waiting too long for Splash like this in this kind of part of the queue line. I just remember kind of going through it sometimes at night, but yeah, definitely some changes here and there for sure, for sure. Shout out to the horticulture team. They're always crushing it. Now we're walking in under the main entrance. Which I've been over here at night. They do light it up very well. You can tell it's the main entrance by that giant sign. Go. Information for you, no lap sitting. Got a little theming in here. Alright, we're going through this pretty quickly, so keep that in mind. Yeah. Now most of this out here should be roughly the same as it once was. Back inside the queue now. Wow, oh, this is very different. Oh my gosh, I used to be able to look straight down here. Whoa. Beignets. Beignets for days. I keep telling people, like, there's a 50-foot plunge ahead. Also, new steps and everything too. You can definitely tell. New lamps or light fixtures here. Yeah. High falls beyond this point. Please don't forget. Please don't forget this is actually a thrill ride. Because it is. Because it is. Oh, look at that little crane over there. I wonder if it's related to Frasier. Ha! Oh boy. These are the jokes, folks. Look at this. Safety first. So when you're going down the bayou, it's one rider per row. Unlike the one in Florida, which is two, I believe. Up to two. Put on your waterproof ponchos before board. I don't think they're handing them out, but I've seen a lot of people here. Store items at your feet. Yeah. Or your lap. Yeah, I like to hold mine. Including hats, glasses, and phones. Please remain seated. Yes. But they're all having a fun time. Going like straight into the water, just nose diving. I love it. Should have stowed your items. Yeah, guys, who's bringing a trumpet on this ride? Don't do it, guys. Don't bring a trumpet on this ride. Right? Well, we're going back. Wow. See some more of the different colors, paint and stuff that they did change this up. Flowers and things. Yeah, it looks like they've changed some of the interior here as well. Maybe it's kind of like salt mine or something like that. Or beignet powder. I don't know. I'm not sure, but definitely a change. You are about to load. I haven't noticed that up lighting before. Look at that. It's nice. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Very, very exciting. I'm in the very back. Oh, look at that theming. This feels very like kind of Pirates. You know, in that space right before you get on the drop. A little bit. Okay. Oh my gosh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Just like old times. Now essentially the bones are the same, but there should be a lot of different theming and stuff. I have not seen any ride-throughs, so like I said, you'll be dealing with my very fresh commentary. Oh, look at these trees, they're very nice. Kind of obfuscate the view from the bridge, but I bet at night with the uplighting, this is really, really, really nice. Okay, there we go. A celebration of friends, a celebration of family and friends of New Orleans. At the proud home of Princess Tiana and Prince Naveen. Everybody's welcome, tonight only. Wait, tonight, we got it here. Oh, there's hot sauce over there. Whoa! Hi, Tiana.
Hey, there y'all are. Louis is up ahead.
Okay.
Let's join him.
Louis is up ahead. I wonder what they did with the owl. Okay, okay. Tiana's Foods established 1927. Okay, now we have a date for kind of for the movie and stuff. Main office, break room, test kitchen, shortcut to the Bayou, and children's garden. We walked through the children's garden. Oh. Oh, it's Lewis. Oh my goodness. Squash? Okay. Oh, a little armadillo? Okay. Yep. Purple pod beans. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Over here we have our Louisiana gator peppers. Shaped kind of like Lewis.
We're gonna find just what we need in the Bayou.
Oh wow, it's like I'm on Living with the Land. Never ever lose sight of what's really important. Words to live by, Water Tower. Alrighty. Oh, that's gonna be us soon. Boy. Howdy. Okay. Oh, Mama Odie. Okay. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Just like old times. Whoa. Oh boy. Okay, I got hit. We got hit. Got hit a little harder than normal. Whoa, it's incredibly dark in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so scary. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're going. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's very different. Oh, hi, Lewis. 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 It's a small critter band here. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh, hi, Tiana. Tiana, I got hit pretty hard back there on the first drop. So, wow. Okay. Hello. Hi, everybody. There's critters over here as well. Critters on all sides. Now, if I remember correctly, we should be going down. Oh, yeah. Little drop here. Okay. This one can be tricky, actually. So, okay. Everybody be cool. Hi there, Tiana. Oh, my gosh, Lewis. Okay. Oh. Mama Odie is sending us down into the double drop. Mama Odie, why? Whoa, these lights. Okay, brace. Brace, brace, brace. Okay, we're good, we're good. I moved instinctively like I used to.
We have to find them.
We're searching for something, I think. Screams are everywhere. It's like old times. Okay. Look at that. Large toad. Hello. I recognize his face. Okay. Oh, I'm the size. Oh, I got to turn the size of a frog.
But you found the sound of the crazy.
Okay. Okay, okay. I see. Look at that jolly guy. Hello, friendo. Look at him go. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh. We're in the back, so we get smashed around a bit. Here we go. Alright. Oh, look at all the fireflies. Again, we're still the size of a frog, I believe. Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay.
Choo-choo said it's time I get you back to side.
Oh.
But invite your little friends to tag along.
Mama Odie shrunk us. And now we're going to grow back to normal size as we climb up. It's much fog. Still very scary. Mama Odie. Mama Odie, please don't condemn us to the drop. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Hands up at home, everybody. Oh, there's the Matterhorn. We can still see that. That's nice. Woo! Block, block, protect the camera. Block, block, block. Oh. Feels good on my body. The drop still slaps. Still slaps. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We're going. So the after-action damage report from all the water is going to be substantially more than I'm used to, I think. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. Oh, armadillo with an umbrella. Oh, he's watching us go by. That's terrifying. Yeah, it looks like they changed out the waterfall stuff. I thought they used to be there. Maybe I'm crazy. Alright, welcome to Fleur de Bayou, home of Princess Tiana and Prince Naveen. Here we go, big finale. Oh wow. Oh yeah, it's her friend. Hello. Wow, that is a lot of animatronics. That is a lot of animatronics. Okay, wow. Okay. Oh. And then back into darkness. That darkness is very overwhelming. Oh. Mama Odie has the beignets. Do I smell beignets? I don't know. Maybe I just thought I did. Alright, there we go. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Oh, there we go. We did it. Another big change, the pictures aren't there anymore. They're actually down and around the way. So you have to go down and out to actually see them now. Huh. Fascinating. After action damage report. If you look right here, got hit hard. Hit hard on the pins. Man, slip and falls hit me. Well, the old slip and falls, I should say, hit harder than I used to. So yeah, maybe it's the weight of the boat. I'm not sure. Yeah, you still get pretty wet on this one, especially if you're in the front row. In the front row, you know, good luck to you. Good luck to you. One more theming as we walk out here at the very end. Tiana's Foods. They don't have the car uncovered yet, but eventually. And this is where the pictures are now. Well, there you have it, everybody. My very first ride on Tiana's Bayou Adventure here in Disneyland. What did you think of it? Let me know down in the comments below. Either way, I'm glad it's open. I liked it. I'm just glad we have more of this part of the park open because it's for capacity's sake, at the very least. Yeah, but this video is coming out before it officially opens here in the park. But when it does, I'm guessing it'll be virtual queue for quite some time. So keep that in mind if you're coming to Disneyland to, you know, look into the virtual queues before you get here, so that way you don't miss out on anything. But either way, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and comment the word Bayou, B-A-Y-O-U, in the comments down below. Also, if you really want to support this channel, consider sharing it around. That would be huge. But a huge shout out to my members and patrons supporting this channel, supporting videos like this, supporting me monthly. If you want to do that and you want to get your name here at the end, check out the links down below. But until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Goodbye.